I think that's pretty cool if you asking me. Bugatti, nobody roll. Couldn't sit back at a candy roll.
Hey guys, Zed from Zed Productions here, and in this video I'm going to be taking a look at the PhoneSoap 3 I got from Amazon for about $80. Link will be in the description down below. So basically this is a device that sanitizes your phone, keys, wallet, anything that fits inside of it with UVC light. So it comes inside this little package, and there is a separate little pouch for the power adapter. So this can also charge your phone while it is sanitizing your phone. There are two models of this, one with wireless charging, which is $100, and one without. And I bought the regular one because my phone doesn't really support wireless charging, and I don't really think it's necessary. But the one with wireless charging I saw has two UV lights on the bottom. So, you know, maybe it has better efficiency, who knows, or maybe it's worse because it also has to supply power to the wireless charger and make room for that. Who knows, but there are two lights on the bottom. This only has two, one on the top and one on the bottom, but it actually has a very nice cocoon inside, so it protects that light and bounces off the surface, so you can get a better sanitization. So this is in the black model. It's kind of fairly cheap built, not gonna lie. So that's where you put in the power cable. There's a USB-C and a USB-A output for charging your phone. As you can see, the wires here. Here's a little sticker and a barcode. And here's a little hole for your charger to go through, the charging cable. But yeah, it's a little bit glossy on the sides, and on the top it's matte. So yeah, here's that hole again. You just put your charging cable in and close it. Alright, and here's your quick start guide right here. So this is all plastic in the inside too. Can just pull that out. It comes with a little warranty card too. And from here you can't, from the bottom you cannot feel the light, but from the top you can feel the bulb. Not that that really matters, but you know, close observation. And here is the quick start guide. It just tells you how to use this thing. It's super easy. And it also highlights some of the features, so you can hear all your notifications and everything. That's why there's those holes in it. And here's the warranty. It's got a 1-year warranty on the UVC bulb. And wait, there's more. So if you register your product, you get a PhoneSoap Shine. I think that's a little portable cleanser by the looks of it. And here's just a card telling you to leave them a nice review, or if there's a problem with it, let them know. And another little observation is that the cover is pretty flimsy. You can't really hold it like midway. It has to be all the way back, not even like a centimeter above that, and it just kind of falls down. They say not to slam it, do it gently. But yeah, here on the back you just plug that in, and I actually have a smart plug, and me not realizing that it wasn't on, it will not work. So right now I have this Google Pixel XL. Right here, we're going to sanitize that. You can keep the phone case on or off. I recommend doing it with the case on, because if you're using a case 24/7, then that should be sanitized too. And yeah, that is see-through. The little logo on the top, I did not realize that. I thought that this was actually lighting up, but it was just taking the light from the outside the window, and here you can see it's not lighting up. So that's my mistake. It was not powered on. But yeah, I will realize that shortly. All you have to do is just close it in, and yeah, it's not lighting up. Well, when I powered on, and this is really smart, because the logo does not have a LED light in and of itself. It actually uses the UVC light that is sanitizing the phone. So it's opaque enough to let the light through, and not opaque enough to let you see what's happening. Alright, and there is the light right there. You guys can see. So it looks like that. Pretty cool. And really visible too. And yeah, okay, so the 10 minutes is up. It automatically stops. Light turns off. Can just open that. in here I was explaining, because like it's just, you know, opaque enough to let the light through but not to see what's happening inside. And as you can see the little light coming through from the window. Alright, and there is a phone, not really a visible difference, and I don't really expect there to be, but yeah. I did a little smell test. It does smell different, to be honest. It's kind of like a, I don't know how to describe it. It's like clean, but it's weird. And there's no leftover residue. I was just checking for that. And that's pretty much it. The light is opaque. It's coming from the window. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Make sure to like and subscribe and click the link in the description if you guys are interested in purchasing this.